Hello everyone, welcome to this session on code with a generative AI powered assistant that is Amazon Q. I am Samragni Daifede, a third year information technology student and AI/ML domain expert at Sanjeevani AWS Cloud Glamour. And today we will be exploring how Amazon Q is transforming the way developers build, debug, and optimize applications. We will start with the basics, then dive into hands-on with VS Code and Amazon Q. So let's get started. In this session, we will learn about the Amazon Q family of generative AI technologies, understand the functionality and capabilities of Amazon Q Developer, then explore its benefits and use cases. Along with that, we will learn about setup and implementation strategies, get hands-on experience with Amazon Q in VS Code. Finally, we will see how it can optimize and transform code. Then, let us see what is Amazon Q. Amazon Q is a generative AI powered assistant tailored for business and developer needs. It integrates with your data sources, streamlines tasks, speeds up decision making, and boosts innovation. Amazon Q has different services for different use cases, like Amazon Q Business, designed for enterprise workflows, Amazon Q Developer, which will focus on today, Amazon Q in QuickSight for data insights, Amazon Q in Connect for customer experience, Amazon Q in AWS supply chain for operational efficiency. Now let's zoom in Amazon Q Developer. It's an AI-powered coding assistant that integrates with IDEs like VS Code and CLI. It helps with code generation in natural language, code analysis and optimization, detecting security vulnerabilities, giving resource recommendations, and even upgrading language versions. So, how can you actually use Amazon Q Developer to speed up development, enhance code security, troubleshoot APIs, optimize performance, and leverage AWS documenting instantly while coding? Now, let's see how to set it up. You need to install Amazon Q extension in VS Code, then create or sign in with an AWS Builder ID, then configure VS Code to integrate with Amazon.
Hey, missing Samradni? Don't worry, I'm here. I'm Abhishek Anand Sethi, a third year IT student and your guide for today's practical session. We are not just going to talk in theory anymore. We'll actually build something cooler together. And what better than code a little game? So yes, we are going to create our own Flappy Bird game in Python. And here's the twist. We'll use Amazon Q inside VS Code to optimize our code, debug errors, and even transform the Python code into Java. Sound exciting, right? Let's jump right into it. First, open VS Code, then go to Extensions and search Amazon Q. After installation, the Amazon Q will appear at the left side panel. Once we click into this, it will ask you for sign in option. You need to sign in with your Amazon Builder ID. The chat box will open. Now let's set up our Flappy Bird project. Make a folder named Flappy Bird and this pip install py game. This will create a file Flappy Bird. Now we'll ask Amazon Q to make a Flappy Bird game using py. I have intentionally kept this agentic coding turned on so that it will directly code into our code space. Here we can see that flappybird.py and requirement.txt are being initialized by the Amazon Q in the our code space. First, we'll install all the requirements which are there in requirement.txt. Then we'll run the Flappy Bird by Python flappybird.py. Here you can see that our Flappy Bird game has been opened in a new window. Here I can play the Flappy Bird game. As you can see it very smoothly, and scorecard is also visible. Now let's ask Amazon Q to optimize this code for readability and performance. Here I have asked Amazon Q to optimize this code and it has started optimizing it. Here you can see it has optimized for performance optimization, pre-calculated reacts, early returns, reduced functional cells, eliminated redundant variables, and all those readability improvements. And code structure has been improved by it. So let us run it again and see what are the changes in the output. So here you can see there are no changes in the output, but the code structure has been improved by the Amazon Q. That was the main agenda of optimizing the code. Now let's break it on purpose. Let's add some error lines which will be detected by it. I have added the error line Now let's run the app and see what the output is. Oops, now our game crashes. Let's ask Amazon Q why it is failing. It has successfully detected the invalid line which is added intentionally by me, and it has been removed by the Amazon Q. Now we'll again check if the code is running properly or not. And yes, the code is running properly and we can play the game. Now the magical part, code transformation. We'll ask Amazon Q to convert this Python game into Java using string. Finally, it made the changes, and looking at the code, we can see that flappybird.java is there in our workspace. So let's run this. Here we can see that the Java code is also performing well, and see that a Python Flappy Bird just turned into a Java swing game with one command. That's the power of Amazon Q. Amazon Q made the process smooth and faster. So that was hands-on with a proper Amazon Q developer. We installed it, built it, optimized it, and debugged the errors, and even transformed the code into another language. Pretty amazing, right? This is Abhishek Sethi signing off. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. See you in next one. Bye bye.